Welcome back! In the last segment I demonstrated a classic upstream, and today I will focus on a sweep upstream. The sweep is a very fast upstream with a very fast exit, and if done properly it also looks very cool. Today's lesson will take place in France, so come with me and check it out. The setup for the sweep upstream is extremely important. When I approach the gate, I turn the bow upstream to set the boat into the ideal position before I reach the gate. At the same time, the draw is slowing down the speed of the boat. After reaching the midpoint, the bow is almost upstream and my body is right next to the gate. I slide my boat under the inside pole with a forward sweep. I lean back just for a second. When I cross the gate line, I try to get my body back into the upright or neutral position immediately. This helps me to catch the current. The backstroke can also be used to initiate the movement. When using the backstroke, it can be easier to begin the sweep. I love sweep upstreams. It's a little bit risky, but if you do it perfectly, it can be extremely fast.